5 minutes for a hole. Just 5 minutes it will take you for a hole. Now, because you are so smart, I need one to try. One brave man to try to make a hole over there.
Nou, wie gaat proberen? Wie is Timmerman?
No, come on guys. Somebody. Okay, okay. He will try. Now I need to tell you something, but let me hear. Okay, so you need just this part, you need to keep this part. Okay, and you need to make all from your wrist. Yeah. It's not moving. It's not moving. I don't know. Now, try now. No, but you need 4 hands. What is this? You need 4 hands. Look, you'll make a hole now in 4 hands, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, this man has skills for 2,000 years.
Yes, of course. Now, okay, we don't want to hold there, thank you. Now, listen, sir. We need somebody to replace him for the next 2,000 years. Anybody ready?
No.
You are you? No? Yeah, you know why? I asked because he wants to be our carpenter for next 2,000 years.
Yes.
Good. But he can stay with his wife here. She can stay with That's good, you're welcome.
They will replace us. We are 2016 and 2000.
She's 2016 years old, so... Anyway, she's dealing with the wool. She's taking the wool from the sheep. In about 2 weeks we start to shear the wool. And I think this gentleman, he needs a haircut. We can do this for free now today.
Yes.
We can do this for
Okay,
free.
I agree.
See that I didn't cut my hair because I'm waiting for her to cut my hair. Last time my wife didn't give me hope, after she cut my hair, so I don't know what to do this time. And then she's giving colors. All these colors are natural ones. This is made by saffron. So she's boiling ingredients. This is made by onions, onion peels. This is made by granata apple. Okay, walnuts. And the purple ones and the blue ones, these are royal colors. Very expensive, very rare, made by special sea snails. Yeah, very expensive, very rare, yes. And now she's spinning with the spindle. You will see her experience of 2016 years right now. Look.
Mevrouw Buurman overleggen.
Ja, ik sta vooraan, hè. Ik sta vooraan.
Nou, wat je leert nou, Joe.
Ja.
So we need to give her to try after you will try.
Yes.
So this is natural wool, and look, if you remember Proverbs 31, it's written about the wise woman, that she is spinning with her fingers. And look what she's doing right now.
I love him ook.
Okay.
Dat is wat anders dan Selma hier ook gebleven.
Okay, ma'am, what do you think? Come.
Not so easy, I think.
Not so easy, it looks easy. It's
too well,
to try.
Yeah.
She's giving another one. But help her.
I just
One moment.
Ik kan morgen op de beamer, ja.
Yeah. Look, so again, she's placing together the fibers.
Oké, ik wou het zelf al doen. Look.
Hij wil dat draaien, maar samen draaien.
Speciaal, hè?
Het wordt een wintertrui, want ik begin nou, dus het duurt nog wel.
Look there. See, woman.
Pas op hetzelfde.
Ja, allemaal klaar?
Ja, doe jij.
Ja, goed zo. Ja, dan moest je een beetje...
Ja.
Not bad, not bad. Good.
But also she needs 4 hands.
Oefening maakt kunst.
Ja.
Zo is dat.
No,
Yeah,
she needs to
2000
stay
years
with
to
us
practice.
2000 years.